This is the only way I make Suran curry. Let's start. Yam or Suran is found everywhere in India, but in the US, Suran is found in Indian stores around Deepavali time. Peel the Suran and cut it into 1-inch cubes. Suran causes itchiness in your hands. To avoid that itchiness, you should apply a little bit of mustard oil. Cut it into small pieces. I'm cooking only half of that Suran, so the spice measurement is based on that. Soak the Suran pieces for 5 minutes in salty water. Put the pressure cooker on the stove, add the separator, add 1 cup of water, lay down the cubes. You can use a steamer if you have one. I prefer pressure cooking my Suran pieces because it takes away a little bit of starch. Add salt and pressure cook for 3 whistles. While Suran is cooking, let's prepare spice for the gravy. We'll take 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds. Soak them in water for some time. Soaking takes away the bitterness from the mustard seeds. For the gravy, we will also need 1 medium-sized tomato, 2 cloves of garlic. We'll need a small onion, a teaspoon of ground cumin powder, 2 green chilies. Wash the mustard seeds and add them in the blender jar along with a little water. Add rest of the things in the blender jar all together. Grind it into a smooth thin paste. This mustard base is where the character of the gravy comes from. After the pressure is released on its own, open the lid. Check with your fingers if the Suran is cooked through. It's done. Transfer in a plate. Heat a karahi. To that add 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds have spluttered, add mustard oil, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the seeds have sizzled a little bit, coat the karahi with mustard oil so that spices don't stick on karahi. Now add the ground paste. Add turmeric, salt according to your taste, and cook patiently on medium heat. Don't rush this. When the raw smell disappears and oil releases from the sides, that's your signal the masala is ready. It took about 3 minutes. The spices have released the oil. Now add the steamed Suran pieces. Give it a good stir. Add a splash of water. Wash the blender jar and use that water. Nothing gets wasted. Scrape off the bottom so the spices don't get burnt. Give everything a good mix. Add few crushes of black pepper. Mix everything. Now add water for the gravy. Give it a good stir and see if you need more water. If you want more gravy, you can add a little bit of more water. Mix it properly. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. It has simmered for 10 minutes. Remove the lid. Give it a good stir. It looks like it's done. Oil is floating on top. Transfer it in a bowl. Finish with fresh cilantro. Add a squeeze of lemon juice. This lemon juice is important. It balances the dish and helps prevent Suran from biting in your mouth. And there it is, our incredibly rich and savory Suran curry. Serve with steamed rice. Every spoonful is worth the time, and I hope this becomes your new go-to recipe. If you love exploring the roots of great home cooking and want more traditional recipes, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Now, which classic Indian root vegetable should I cook next? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.